Hello, my name is Zachary Rosales from the Harmony Public Schools here in El Paso, Texas. And today for my PBL project, I'm explaining about the oil spills and how do we combat these oil spills. Now, oil spills or human-made disasters come from the ships and any other material that requires oil. And the oil is made actually out of petroleum, which we all usually see from gasoline. In this experiment, all the technique of how to combat these oil spills. Well, some of these techniques are actually safe for me and for anyone to use. But you need to have goggles for protection and gloves, especially gloves, to protect us with some of the materials we're going to use, and an apron, just in case if anything spills. The materials I am going to be using is 3 beakers, 100, a 600, and a 25 milliliter, magnifying glass, oil, cotton balls, feathers, just 2 spoons, soap, and a viral bond for free polymer. Now, I'm going to show you how to do the experiment and how do we get the accurate results for this. Now first, we need to add 10 to 50 drops of oil. Now, I need to examine this feather and to see how it is. And I need to record how the feather is from this magnifying glass and how it feels. Now, though this is optional, that if you want to add an oil-based food coloring to make it like it's real oil, you can go ahead and use a little bit, but up to at least, and swirl inside this little 100 milliliter beaker. And right now, it looks to me, it feels to me is oil, and really more darker in the color of this feather. And right now, I'm going to do something that is, you'll say this is crazy. Use this, another feather though, I don't want to contaminate. It's all inside this 100 milliliter beaker, and keep swirling, and the oil is mixed into the solution. And I will once again look at this. It's shiny again, feeling slippery and soapy, and once again the feather looks shiny and colorful. Record these observations, and now we're going to show how you do a technique to get oil off. Skip. Now I need to fill this beaker half of the size, 300 milliliters, over that's 600. 5 milliliters of this oil into this little 25 milliliter beaker. A little too much, I think I put in. Carefully try to get the soap out carefully, one by one, from this beaker. Now, the next step, you can use any material that is an oil absorbent, such as these cotton balls. Now, I'll try carefully there to get the oil that is left out of this water. Right now, we're going to try to use a viral bond. Now, need to open this bottle And pour a little bit to this, and we need to this and to cover up this top. Now you have to wait at least 3 to 5 minutes for the EnviroBond to absorb this oil. And right now, after the 3 to 5 minutes, use another spoon and carefully scoop this EnviroPolymer out and dispose them carefully to the trash. That's the component for ELA. It's all about my thinking, and especially for this PBL project, which I need to find other ways that have not been done yet in the world to find good ideas on how we get rid of oil besides of all the inventions that have been done in history. In the United States, now for my social studies component, I'll explain the history of the social studies history of the oil spills. You can download my social studies and ELA component from this video or from the webpage. Thank you for watching Harmony Public Schools.